What steps are needed to feel beautiful? The greatest beauty tip of all is knowing that you are already beautiful as you are. Sometimes, though, it's hard to acknowledge your own beauty when you just don't feel beautiful. Here are some things you can do to remind yourself that you're already beautiful and that everyone is beautiful in some way or another. Number 1. Journal about your positive attributes. Start a gratitude journal that highlights your appreciation for what you love about yourself the most. By staying grounded in your good qualities, both your inner and outer beauty, you will keep these things more present in your mind. This way, each time you have a moment of self-doubt or face a rude remark from someone else, the things you cherish most about yourself will be ready at hand. Consider the following tips for a gratitude journal that really works. Don't just go through the motions. Journaling is more effective if you make a strong decision to become happier and more grateful for your positive attributes. Go for quality over quantity. Journal in deep detail about a few things rather than making a superficial laundry list about many attributes. Make it as personal to you as possible. Consider specific situations and relationships that have been positively impacted by these qualities of yours to see how you benefit from these traits in your daily life. Reflect on how your life would be if you suddenly did not have your positive attributes. This makes gratitude come quite easily. Number 2. Take a look at your relationships. If you have steady doses of fondness and acceptance, you will always be able to see yourself in the positive light that your loved ones do. Similarly, if you spend lots of time with overly harsh or judgmental people, you will learn to view yourself according to their rigid, critical standards. If you are filled with the notion that you are unattractive or unworthy, question whether or not someone in your life bolsters this idea. Make sure that you have a good support system of friends and loved ones. There's nothing more effective than social support to make you feel strong, capable, and beautiful. Number 3. Deck out your home with beauty. This may mean decorating your room with beautiful scenes you find in magazines or posters, or keeping cute memorabilia and knickknacks around. Having beautiful surroundings will make you feel beautiful too. Remember to fill your space with what you find beautiful, rather than just following the latest trends in design and decoration. Flattering lighting, like white-coated incandescent bulbs, will set a mood of soft, elegant light that makes you and your surroundings look more appealing overall. Consider the placement of your light fixtures as well. Light that reaches your face from all directions makes it more difficult to see lines and shadows. So, for example, you'll want to replace overhead fixtures in your bathroom with lighting on either side of your mirror.
Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.